My name is Harvi. Multiples of 10.
Find it and show me. Okay, good.
I am finding multiples of 15.
15. Okay.
51 is 15, 22, 30, 53, 45, 54, 60, 55, 75, 56, 90, 56, 90, 57, 105.
Very good.
Today I finding multiples of 9.
Okay, find it, ma. Read, ma. Read outside the number. Which numbers you are finding?
63, 72, 81, 90, 99.
Very good.
Multiples of 7.
Okay. Multiples of 7. Okay, continue. Say the numbers outside.
7 under 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 to the 20, 8, 7 to the 90, 99.
Okay, good.
Welcome to one and all. My name is Yaj Hansen. I am from 5th Jasmine. Today is multiples of 10. 3.
Multiples of 3. Okay.
3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9.
Good.
I am finding for 2.
Multiples of
2.
2. Okay, find it. Okay, good.